Today we're going to Curry's to pick up the Olympus TG-5 Tough Camera that I bought online. So that's the TG-5 picked up. Comes in a small box. Come on. So from now on you're viewing it on the TG-5. So this is the footage in HD on a TG-5. You can compare the sound quality as well. The dead pixel still there. Like I say, the previous Curry's I shot indoors for the first time had a little dot moving around in the corner. Took it as there being a particle on the screen, which hopefully won't repeat in this one. Also, look at that. Got a dead pixel. Has to go back. Really disappointed. Got a bloody dancing dead pixel in the corner. Really irritating, off-putting. Doesn't focus either. So video is a big negative on the one that I've been sent by Curry's. So I'm back at Curry's to return the TG-5 with a dead or faulty pixel. Let's see what happens. So I've dropped off the camera and they'll say it'll take about a week to process the refund. So now they'll give me a little receipt. So now I'll get off to Jessops and get a cheaper one. Now we're in Jessops. The TG-5 there. 320. Let's get that one then. Hopefully it'll work. Come on. Check battery. It works. So that's the camera I bought for £319 and I get a free blue case as well, courtesy of Jessops. Wanted £350 but when I looked at the case I goes forget it, £319 and that's what they did. So I got a good deal. Better than Curry's £379. Hopefully this one's not got any dead pixels. So here I am with my second Olympus Tough TG-5 camera in less than 1 week. So I've returned the first one to Curry's because of the dot problem, which you can check in the other videos. So I bought this one from Jessops and it cost me £319. Whilst the Curry's one cost me £317 and I'm still waiting for the refund on that one. So I got a great deal, but it's even better than that because this one has a case with it. Okay, first of all, Jessops wanted to sell this one to me for £350 because the £319 without the case, they didn't have it in stock, so they said you can have the one for £350 red with the case. I goes, no, I don't want the case, I don't need another case. Why don't you just keep the case? They go, no, we can't. Then he took the, and I said, oh, show me the case, let me see what it looks like, if it's worth £30 extra or not. And this is what the case looks like that they effectively want to charge me £30 for. There, look at that. Crappy little case, £30. And then after I insisted it's not worth nowhere near £30, it dropped its value to £20. Then I compared it against the £20 case in the shop, and there was no comparison. It's not even worth £5 case. It's just a cheap little bag that you can put on your belt or snap to your belt. And go belt, but go like that. So it is a pretty feeble case and basically a rip-off. I've looked at how much you can get this online. From Olympus Direct it's £15, and I suppose you could probably pick it up for £10 if you try hard enough. So it's still not worth £10. That was a big negative, and I was prepared to walk away, you know, because I wanted a £3.19 camera, not pay £3.40 basically for a £5 case. For instance, this one that I bought to use with the TG-5. Look, guess how much this one was. Look, it's waterproof, got 2 pockets, you can stuff your camera in, all the accessories, even a little pouch at the back so you can stuff your phone into, or pouch at the front should I say. And you can clip it secure so nothing falls out, and it's got a double holder to put to your belt to secure it to your belt. So this is like an excellent case. Now guess how much this one was. Remember, they wanted effectively £20 for this. Well, this cost me £8. Well, that shows you just how much they were trying to rip me off with that. But I insisted and persisted, and guess what? They gave it me for free. They've knocked the price down to £3.19, same as the one without the case that they didn't have in stock. So I got a good deal from Jessops. Just insist, you know, and if they come with a case, have a look at the case and research its price, because this case is not worth maximum £10, and I wouldn't even say, I wouldn't buy this case because it's not of much practical use. You can't put anything else with it, spare battery or anything. It's not of much use. No zip, that can come undone. It's just a tight fit for the Tough, but it's okay for a freebie. So this cost me £3.19 with this probably £5 or £6 value case, which is fine. Oh, and also I had to pay, to get this deal, I had to get the 3-year warranty, which is fine. 3-year, that's anything happens, accident warranty costs £65. Okay, I'm happy with that. So Olympus comes with 1-year warranty, but it doesn't include, you know, damage. Because what it is, the rubber seals on these are likely to fail after about a year, which is why they want it for a year, so you need some protection. Anyway, it's the same camera, red, I've already reviewed in the other video. I'm just going to charge it now and do the main test. This is everything you get, there's nothing different. What's this? Give me a 2-prong. What wasn't in the other one? Yeah, it's got a strap, charger, battery, strap. So basically it's the same contents as the other one. Now, of course, I'm going to do the test. First thing to do is to charge it and do the test to make sure there's no blue dots on any videos as there were in the previous one. So that's going to be the next video where I do a test. So if you're getting a TG-5 camera, then definitely don't waste time on using it. Charge the battery, put the memory card in the battery, charge it, and then do a test. Record video, because the dots are more apparent on video than images. If you see any dots, then take it back. Take it back because it's a brand new camera. I know you can do pixel mapping, but you don't expect dead pixels on a brand new camera. Of course, if they tested it before they sent it out, then they could have mapped the dead pixels so you wouldn't be aware of it. Now, I've never had dead pixels on any other camera I've bought, so it goes to show manufacturing is a bit feeble for Olympus. Anyway, it might be a one-off. It was probably just me, one-off. Of course, if you get a dead pixel after 3-4 months, not a dead pixel, a stuck pixel after several months of usage and pixel mapping works, then that's absolutely fine. If it doesn't work, then obviously you need the warranty to send it back. Which is why I've got 3-year warranty, because I don't trust these cameras. First one arrived with a stuck pixel, so I don't trust them. So that's why I've got 3-year, anything happens, accidental damage warranty, so that if a pixel gets stuck, yeah, or several pixels and they don't get remapped, then and they show up on the video or images, then I'm sending it for a new one from Olympus, from Jessops. So do check out. So now I'm going to obviously charge it and then test it, and fingers crossed it works. And then we can do a proper test underwater and in the sea and stuff like that, swimming pools, proper real hardcore testing. But this is what you get from Olympus, from Jessops. Current price is $350. I got it for $319 because that's the current price for the camera on its own. And I didn't want to pay £30 for a £5 bag. But then this one cost me £8. It's a lot better. Anyway, let's go on with charging it and testing it.